Congratulations on purchasing a Ryobi 18-volt 33cm lawnmower, model number OLM1833S. When you unpack your mower, the box should also contain a 35-litre catcher with a hard top, a user manual including 2 bolts and bolt handles, the upper handle assembly which is attached to the lawnmower via the power cable, the 2 lower handle assembly pieces, and the lawnmower itself. You'll note on the inside of the lawnmower, the fuse key is already installed, so it's ready to go. If you purchase the kit, that would also include a 4 amp hour battery and 2 amp charger. Assembly. Install the lower handle arms into the mower unit. You can see here, I'm just going to give it a bit of a wiggle and it will pop into place. You can press this button if you want to change the handle heights. That can be done on both sides. I'm now going to take the bolts out of the bag here. I'm going to remove the knobs from the bolt. I'm going to take the upper handle assembly now and install it into the lower handles. So I can install these handles at different heights. That's what these bolts and holes are for. So it's my preference, depending on how tall I am as an operator, I can choose where and what height I mount these. I'm now going to install the bolts into the handle assembly and then take the knob and secure that in place. One side. Then I'm going to do the exact same thing on the second side here. I'm going to attach it. Done. I'm then going to take the power cable and I'm going to secure it to these 2 clips just to keep it out of the way when you're mowing. After that, we install the catcher. I'm going to take these 2 points here and install it on the back of the mower. You can flap down. Now you're fully installed. When adjusting the cutting heights on the lawnmower, pull this lever backwards, have a firm grip on the central handle here, and as you're moving this up or down, this just gives you a little bit of extra support. Now, the highest cutting height on this mower is level 5, which is what I've got it set to now, all the way down to level 1, which is mowing at 20mm. To start the lawnmower, insert a fully charged battery and listen for a click. Then come up to the user controls, press the middle button first and hold it, then pull either one of these levers. And the mower will start up. As soon as you let go of that, the blade will completely stop for safety.
Ryobi, a cut above.